Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the app version and the device OS so you avoid incompatible actions. Once confirmed, backup call logs and contact permissions so you can restore if needed. Now open Settings and go straight to Calls or App Permissions and locate the updated toggle for incoming calls. You do this because the update moves controls out of the dialer. Make sure to note the exact menu path shown on screen before you proceed to modify toggles. Once done with setup, focus on the middle steps. Disable incoming call permissions and background activity for the app to stop call interception. Next, remove default dialer access and turn off call notifications so the UI no longer surfaces calls. You should also enable block unknown callers and set do not disturb exceptions to prevent bypasses. If the update added a new call handler, uninstall or disable that module. These actions remove routing, so calls no longer reach your device. To finish, restart your device and test with a known number to confirm calls are blocked. Make sure to reopen settings after reboot to verify permissions persisted. Sometimes updates reset toggles, so reapply them if necessary. If calls still slip through, clear the app cache, force stop the app, and consider reverting to the prior app version or update patch. One key troubleshooting tip: if changes fail, check for a secondary app that can act as dialer and disable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.